Hello everyone, welcome to this jQuery tutorial. In this video you'll learn how the jQuery toggle method works through a simple practical example that's perfect for beginners learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript and jQuery. We'll start by looking at an HTML file. In the first script on line 9, so here, we include the jQuery library from a content delivery network. jQuery is a fast, lightweight JavaScript library that makes it easier to manipulate HTML elements and handle events. Inside the HTML body starts on line 56, you'll find a div with the ID main. This div contains an image and a paragraph. Above it, there's a button that will control the visibility of the div. When the button is clicked, the content will appear if it's hidden or disappear if it's currently visible. To achieve this, we'll use the jQuery toggle method. The basic syntax is $selector toggle speed callback. The speed parameter is optional and accepts the value slow, fast, or a duration in milliseconds. The callback parameter is also optional and specifies a function that runs after the toggle animation has finished. So what this example demonstrates, the first script tag loads the jQuery library from a CDN. A button with the ID toggle btn controls the visibility of the div with the ID main. The div contains an image and paragraph. When the button is clicked, the following jQuery code executes: $main toggle slow function console log toggle animation completed. $main selects the div with the ID main. The toggle method hides the div if it is visible or shows it if it is hidden. The slow argument is the speed parameter, causing the animation to run slowly, and the callback function runs after the animation finishes. In this example, it writes toggle animation completed to the browser console that you can see on line 15. So, let's see now what it gives in the browser. Here it is. This content here doesn't appear to the div that we will toggle, and this part is taking now the place of the div. Now we will show the content again. Here it is. We repeat it. It goes slowly, and that's it. If you like this video and you want more of similar explanations, you can subscribe to my channel. See you next time.